A pathogen is any microorganism such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, or parasites that causes disease in a host organism. Pathogens invade the body, multiply, and disrupt normal physiological functions, leading to infections and illnesses. Pathogens can be classified into 5 major groups. Bacteria, for example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes tuberculosis or TB. Viruses, for example, human immunodeficiency virus HIV, which causes AIDS. Fungi, for example, Candida albicans, which causes candidiasis, oral or genital infection. Protozoa, for example, Plasmodium, which causes malaria. Helminths, worms, for example, Ascaris lumbricoides, which causes ascariasis, intestinal worm infection. Fact prions, abnormal proteins, are also considered pathogens, causing diseases like mad cow disease in cattle and Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans. How do pathogens cause disease? Entry into the host through air, food, water, wounds, insect bites, or direct contact. Example: the coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 enters through respiratory droplets. Multiplication: pathogens multiply rapidly inside the host, increasing their numbers. Example: bacteria like Salmonella multiply in the intestines, causing food poisoning. Some pathogens release toxins that damage cells and tissues. For example, Clostridium botulinum produces botulinum toxin, causing botulism. Additionally, pathogens can hide from or suppress the immune response. A notable example is HIV, which attacks T lymphocytes, weakening the immune system. Tissue damage and disease symptoms. Pathogens disrupt normal cell functions, leading to symptoms like fever, pain, diarrhea, and fatigue. How does the body defend against pathogens? The immune system fights pathogens through innate immunity. This first-line defense includes the skin, mucus, and stomach acid. Acquired immunity involves the production of antibodies and memory cells after infection or vaccination. White blood cells, including macrophages and lymphocytes, work to destroy pathogens. Vaccines and medicines against pathogens are crucial. Vaccines stimulate the immune system to recognize and fight pathogens, for example, the BCG vaccine for tuberculosis. Antibiotics kill bacteria but are ineffective against viruses. For example, penicillin is used for bacterial infections. Antiviral drugs slow down virus replication, such as oseltamivir, also known as Tamiflu, for influenza. Insert key highlights. Pathogens cause infectious diseases that can spread from person to person. Some pathogens have vectors, for example, the Anopheles mosquito spreads malaria. Controlling pathogens requires hygiene, vaccines, and medicines. The importance of studying pathogens lies in disease prevention and treatment. It is essential for public health and epidemic control. Moreover, it supports the development of new vaccines and antibiotics.